guys, we've just received our parcel today. So today is the 12th of January. I've ordered this very interesting product that we've seen online because we've got the same problem with a lot of bikers out there. They don't know where to store their bikes. Like if you're in an apartment, a unit like this, you cannot drill holes in your wall and you just put your bike in the hallway. We were thinking of a bike storage which is space friendly. So now I've ordered this package, this bike stand on the 10th of January. And I've just got an email that it's been delivered. So I was like, shit, I didn't know that it's gonna be arriving so fast. Oh well, so let's open it. Yeah. So this box, it's actually quite heavy. It's around 11.6 kilograms. And the dimensions of the box when it arrived, it's 54 centimeters by 24 by 22. So let's unbox it. All right, unboxing time. So you see this handy scissors from the gift that I have there. Do you guys have an idea what is it? Here we go. Not just two, more. And of course, there's four Bike Nooks. Okay, so it looks like my cat's more excited than us. This is a unique bike stand that we found online at danasdirect.com. And of course, we're not sponsored by Danas.
Yes, this is not a paid advertisement, guys, just so you know.
All right, so let's take a look at these pieces a little bit closer. So this is what comes with your box. And let's assemble it. So as you can see, it actually fits perfectly. So let's do this. Oh, alright. Well, it kind of looks stable.
We will put all the bags in the hallway and we'll show you the results on how spacious this Bike Nook is.
We'll be right back. Okay, so no more bikes on the hallway thanks to Bike Nook. Well, they're still in the hallway, but they're standing up. We've got here a road bike, Merida Scultura 4000 and Polygon Stratus S8. And of course, let's bring you to the other side. This is our mountain bike section. We've got our bikes all set up in the hallway and we've just got a parcel today. Well, I'm not even gonna ask you to guess what this parcel is. Well, obviously it is another bike. So we've already got 4 bikes standing in our hallway and we've got another one. Well, looks like we're gonna have to order another bike stand. My cats want to say hello, by the way. And yeah, look at this. This is what it looks like for now. We're gonna see if it actually fits all the 5 bikes in this hallway. All right, well, thank you and thanks for watching. Bye. All right, so this is the new Team Marine tour. We're still thinking on how we're gonna store this bike inside the house.